Today we have made a project on technology, which is touch sensor. Here you can see. Let's take its devices. It is touch sensor, and here is the wiring. You can see it, and this is the device named as Arduino. It is a bulb, and you can see the wiring of it. So let's know about these devices which we have used in our project. So as the human body has the sense element to interact with their surrounding, similarly machines also need some sensing element to interact with their surrounding. To make this possible, sensor was invented. One such sensor is touch sensor, which is used in our project, which looks like this.
Touch sensors are the electronic sensors that can detect touch. It works like a switch. When there is contact or touch on the surface of touch sensors, it opens an electrical circuit and allows current to flow through it. Touch sensors are also known as tactile sensors. With the advance in technology, these sensors are rapidly replacing the mechanical switches.
And also an important device named as Arduino is also used in our project. An important device named as Arduino is also used in our model, as you can see here. The Arduino is an open source electronic platform which is used to build electronic projects. All Arduino boards have one thing in common, which is microcontroller.
With the Arduino, we can design and build many devices that can interact with its surrounding. The Arduino boards are basically a tool for controlling electronics. They are able to read inputs with their onboard microcontroller and turns it into an output,
which works like this. So now let's see its application. A touch sensor is commonly used in robots, enabling the basic movements and ability to detect touch in its surrounding. Example, when the robot runs into something, the touch sensor can have it to stop moving.